If you've ever wanted to work from a beach bar, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a Solidworks designer job that allows you to work from anywhere. And better yet, there's no degree required. I'm going to show you how I found this remote job, but first, for today's giveaway, one lucky winner will win a secret mini course for free. All you have to do is, number 1, like this video, number 2, share this video, number 3, subscribe, and number 4, leave a comment below. We will begin by simply going to Google search engine and typing in our keywords. So I am in Google now. We can go with work from home Solidworks. Go ahead and enter that. Once that's entered, you're going to see a lot of nonsense at the top, yada yada yada. This is what we want. This jobs module here, we can go to see all down here, 22 more. This is where we can set our filters if we want to, date posted, and browse our listings. We're going to ignore the Upwork ones for now. This one here, posted 3 days ago, protingent, no degree mentioned, work from home. This is the one that we are interested in, Solidworks designer / drafter. We can go ahead and see more about this posting here. Let's take a look at some of the responsibilities. Producing robust CAD models that facilitate fast-paced design evolution, advanced CAD modeling techniques, be able to maintain complex mechanical designs, document the design process, changes, etc., create engineering drawings per ASME 14.1 and Y14.5. You can see if you scroll down to the bottom, typical pay for this type of work, 41 to 68K, and then salary.com estimates 89 to 110K per year. To be safe, let's say it pays 60K. Let's go over the job skills needed, especially when it comes to SolidWorks. CAD proficiency in SolidWorks, there you go. Creative thinker, organized and detail oriented with excellent writing skills. Experience checking fabrication drawings, experience in design for manufacturability. Experience in mechanical and machine design. So how do we apply? Well, this link will take you to LinkedIn. You can apply there, submit your resume. You can find the recruiter, if there is one listed on that posting, to reach out to them directly, get your foot in the door. So set up your LinkedIn, you can apply there. So let's recap. Need to be advanced and proficient in SolidWorks, creating advanced 3D models and engineering drawings. You can get your CSWA or CSWP, that's going to look really good for this position. Or you can check out my courses to get proficient in SolidWorks as well at howitsdesigned.com. I'm going to put a link in the description. You're going to get a free How to Make Money with SolidWorks guide. It's got some good career tips in there. All yours for free. Link in the description. Also, link to my Patreon is also in the description if you want to get access to exclusive content you can't find anywhere else.